geofencing and Bluetooth LE, very popular with existing apps that are out there. Let's switch gears. Let me go to the other end. This is a partner we've never shown before. New technology coming. The name of the company is Hepsilon, and the app is Sensoria. I'm going to get started. What I have is I have a sock on that has basically pressure sensors, and I have this nice little Bluetooth LE emitter down here that's running along. I'm going to start the session. Now, they're going to work on, obviously, nicer pieces of hardware over time. Let me make sure this guy's on. Yep. And so I'll start walking around. It takes about 10 seconds to load. And there you see, as I walk, I only have the sock on my left foot. Then you see the information as I'm walking around, and it gets the pressure points. And if I'm running, it's a little more active than what I'm doing now. And then what you can do is you can connect in, and for example, I could grab a coach. So if I want to have a coach and give me feedback as I'm wearing my headsets, I can also look at running form feedback and give performance information. For purposes of speed, let's take a look at performance analysis. What it's doing now is it's looking at basically a quote run I did earlier, which in my case is as close to a lumber or we'll call it a fast walk, and we'll be good with that. But I can run along here, and you'll see the pressure on my foot. And as I start to slow down, we'll get a little coaching.
You're losing your cadence. Speed up now.
It's not really, usually it says move your fat, you-know-what along, but you get the idea. It's really, when we talk about the Internet of Things, we're mixing a lot of pieces here together. Bluetooth LE emitter, socks with fibers in it that read pressure, new applications, and then there's a bunch of cloud on the back end of this, John.
Yeah, so the amazing thing about this application, think about these new kinds of devices, fitness bands, all these threads throughout your clothing. There's a huge amount of telemetry going on. So our partner has they've used Azure for all kinds of stuff. Azure Blobs, SQL Azure for data. They're doing authentication. They're using the Azure Service Bus in order to do all the communications between these things. Elasticsearch for data extraction. Lucene to do the real-time analytics. It kind of goes on. Hadoop and various other things. So really, you look at these kind of apps, it's a bunch of small devices, but they're really doing big data in the most powerful way.
Yeah. So that's an interesting bridge into the cloud side of things.